Hi everyone, good morning. Mr. Dorian here. I just wanted to do a quick midweek check-in and also review some of the things that are due. I know this week has been had some real technical difficulties, all of them on my end. I apologize for that, but we're still here and we will make it through this. A few things that are due this Friday on August 28th. Two things are due. One is the quiz, the syllabus quiz. I know there was a problem with the Lucinda ESL question. I fixed that. If you took the quiz before I fixed it, then I'll give you a point back. So not to worry. Um, the other thing that's due is your discussion post. I know there's a problem with some of the groups that it was hard to use the group feature. Um, I just have to figure that out. For now, just make sure that you post a reply so that we can have a little bit of connection, even though we are working, so far away from each other. On Sunday, August 30th, the something is due. Oh, your first check-in is due. And so I really have been enjoying reading those. If you did yours already, those just help me get to know you a little bit and also know, what questions are coming up for people. So be sure to do your first check-in by Sunday, August 30th, if you haven't done it already. Whenever an assignment is due, they'll be due by 11 p.m. on that day. If you have a problem or you need some kind of, you know, uh, extension, just ask me before the due date and I'm happy to accommodate you. Okay, that's it. Have a good Wednesday.